So, hi guys. So, gagawa tayo guys ng outfit na yung guys na viral na like yung parang isa lang yung paa, parang ganon. So, let's go. So, first, will go to the dress. Okay. Baliktad guys. Pero okay na yan. So, yan guys. Wait lang. Ayusin lang natin. So, okay guys. So, ito naman sa hat. Ito yung guys yung sinasabi kong viral ngayon. So, wait lang guys. So, 139607718 guys. Yan. Search nyo lang yan. Ito yan. Yan guys. Yan guys. Ito nyo ba yan? And then, pick lang tayo dito guys. So, para guys hindi makita yung shirt na ano natin. Search lang tayo ng white short. Yung hindi masyadong kita. Yan guys. And then for the hair. Yan guys, straight hair. So, ito pala guys yung nagustuhan ko. Ganyan dyan siya guys. And then, shoes. Tingin lang tayo. So, mamaya na pala guys yung sapatos. Face pala muna tayo guys. So, yan guys. So, search na tayo. So, ito na lang pala guys. Para matchy-matchy sila. So, search lang tayo dyan guys. Ay, nandyan pala siya guys. Nasaan guys? Ano tayo? But, so, yan guys. So, yan guys, yung final look ng outfit ko. Bye-bye!